Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far. In today's video, I'm going to show you a home update that I'm loving and so excited to have this new year. I've always seen smart blinds in homes and wanted them in our new home because I love the concept. I'm so happy to finally have them. I partnered with MySmartBlinds and can't wait to tell you more about them. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to become part of my YouTube family, so go ahead and subscribe and press the bell button to be notified when I upload my next video. MySmartBlinds are custom fit to your window frame and delivered straight to your door, so you don't have to hire an installer or visit a showroom before ordering. They also offer automation kits to your existing 2 to 2.5 inch horizontal blinds to install. MySmartBlinds can be used with or without a smart home hub, meaning they'll perform on your schedule and with your preferred settings no matter where in the world you are. Temperature sensors inside the motor box will save you money on utility bills by regulating the temperature inside your home. You get battery updates straight to your smartphone. I have a charger for one of my blinds that doesn't get a lot of sunlight in to charge up. The rest of my windows have solar charging. You can set tilting schedules that update as the seasons change. My husband installed these the same day we received them in the mail. We added these to the 3 kitchen windows and the dining room window. I'm going to show you a few clips of my husband installing them, so if you need help to install your MySmartBlinds, they have a YouTube channel explaining step-by-step installation. You can also reach out to their great customer service if you have questions or need help installing the automation kit. I highly recommend MySmartBlinds, and you will have the chance to win a $100 gift card to MySmartBlinds. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is follow MySmartBlinds on Instagram and leave a comment with your Instagram handle. This is such a great convenience to open up your blinds through an app on your phone or remote that is paired with Bluetooth. They are my favorite new smart home gadgets. When I'm upstairs, I can go on my phone and open up the blinds through the app in the mornings or close them if I'm already in bed for the night. The app lets you control each room that has MySmartBlinds, and you can name each room. I'm going to show you how cool it is to use the app as well as the control to open and close the blinds. This is the solar panel, and my husband already set it up to where it receives most light. You can place it horizontal or vertical. I really hope you give MySmartBlinds a try. I would never recommend something that I didn't love. I'll leave all their information in my description box down below and a discount code of $10 off your purchase. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Thank you MySmartBlinds for sponsoring this video. I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Take care.